In this section, we're going to look at support vector machine classification in Scikit-learn. We're going to look at the operation of a support vector machine classification algorithm, look at an example problem, look at data preparation and pre-processing. We're going to look at implementing support vector machine classification and also improving performance and hyperparameter fitting. We're going to look at the operation of the support vector machine classification algorithm. We want to understand the principle of operation behind support vector machine classification. So what does the support vector machine classification algorithm do? It takes a set of labeled input points in a variable space. It separates the points with a linear or nonlinear function and measures the distance from each point to this function. Then we transform this curve or function to maximize the point-to-function distances. So what does this look like? Say we have two groups of labeled points in space of variable 1 and variable 2, red points and blue points. We might pick two curves, in this case simple lines that arbitrarily split the space. Using the kernel trick, a more advanced property, we can use nonlinear systems, but a given function can separate the space. We calculate the distance from each point to each line and use that to evaluate which direction we should move the curve in to maximize the distance from every point to the curve. Like this. In this case, something like this is maximally separated from each point here and each point here. And it also ensures that the points on this side are labeled red and the points on this side are labeled blue. So, support vector classification divides points with a function that separates the two groups maximally. Hopefully, we've understood the principle of operation behind support vector machine classification.